Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie from Camellia Crafts Designs and thank you for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I'll keep saying that because I seem to keep getting new subscribers, which is absolutely brilliant. And thank you to everyone who's been with me right from the beginning, which was all of 8 weeks ago. Less than that actually. I started when my kids went back to school in autumn term. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's going, and it's all thanks to you for watching. Anyway, just a quick one today. I don't know if you remembered me saying that I won a giveaway on Tatty Treasure's channel. That's the lovely Tania. And it arrived and I'm going to show you what it is. I won a little package of Edith Holden ephemera, which is going to go perfectly in my Edith Holden journal. So all I'm going to do today is unpack this and just pop a few pieces in. So we're not actually making, we'll be making in the next one. Right, it's come in this lovely little bag. Oh, it's a bit Christmassy, that. It's not actually. It looks like snowflakes, but it's not. It's little fleur-de-lis. Right, what we got? Ooh, we've got a little envelope. I love the bird pages. They're some of my favourite. And a little journal card inside. Oh, I like these skinny envelopes. These are really good. Oh, I'll have to be making some of these. Yeah. Different little card inside. Another skinny one. Oh, I love how those horses have been framed in that picture. Do you know, I don't tend to use the pages. This is one of the pages with a month on. If I remember rightly, this could be March. I just stash them. I don't tend to use them. Because one of these days I'm going to make like a set of journals, one for each month. Yeah. Coming to a screen near you in 2030, that one is. Anyway, what else we got? Oh, I like these. These are really good. It's a little, yeah, curved pocket on a tag. And it's got a little slot there as well. Very cute. A couple of little tags. That one looks to be from Garden Notes, Nature Notes, or Cooking Notes. They're like diaries that you can write in. I don't know if you've seen those books. They're from the Edith Holden range, but they're not the main book, obviously. Got another little envelope. Ooh, I'm so glad I didn't make any envelopes from Edith Holden pages now for this journal, because I've got them ready done. Voila. Oh, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, the book pages again, but I love how that has got, yeah, the name of the botanicals on: colt's foot and dog rose. Lovely. Oh, they're going to go perfect in this journal. Let's bring it over and just bob a few in. So if you remember in the last video, we did that, didn't we? We put the snippet on the front pocket and we did a few more pockets, and I said I wasn't going to fill any pockets yet because I'd won that giveaway and I'd be putting some of those in. I think these gorgeous ones are going to have to go there so that you see those as soon as you open the journal. I really like them. Put one in a bit further than other. That can go right down, that can stay up. Yeah, I like that. We made a stack pocket page somewhere, didn't we? I've put one of those in there, haven't I? Where's the stack pocket page? Still not glued that page in. In fact, to be honest, I've done nothing in this journal since you saw me build this page. You know how I said I was going to glue the back page in, the fabric page, off camera? Did I heck? Oh, that was the other thing that came in Tania's little thing. Wonder where that had gone. Did I heck anyway, glue that in? It's there. That's my pocket. And there's my snippet roll, still not attached. In fact, it's trying to glue itself to something else. So yeah, I think I told a few porcupines there, didn't I? I will get round to it. I've just had a really busy week. I had one at girls off school last Friday. Then they're on half term this week. So since I did my last video Thursday, I've not done. It's like I've had children at home all the time. And having children at home makes everything take twice as long. No idea why, it just does. Even though they're not being very demanding. In fact, as we speak, one of them is actually on her way to the post office. She's 14, she's quite capable of going on her own. And it's about a mile walk with no main roads. The 14, I'm like, oh, don't want to be crossing main roads. Yeah, So yeah, they are a help. Right, I think I might put these on the top of pages. In fact, I knew I was going to put these on top of pages, and that's why I've been making some altered paper clips. One of my subscribers asked me if I would make some, and I have. And I've made up the prototype, and now I'm going to film the video after this. So that's just going to go on there like that. Yeah, I've got talking again, Anton. Now I haven't got a clue what I'm doing or saying. Right, pocket. Some tags in it. There you go. I think I might put one of these envelopes in pocket. Yeah, because it's quite a deep one, that. Shall I put that on? Yeah, I'll put one of those in. I'm going to ink those up. Yeah. Can you see what I said before about sometimes each print of the book is different? Look how pale that one is compared to the one I've used. The background it's like a completely different colour. I don't know why that is. I've never noticed if the books from different years are different colours. That'd be way too anarchy, wouldn't it, to take notice of that? Right, where are we going to put these? I think from looking through the places to put these, I've decided this journal needs more pockets. Definitely does. Oh, could we put one of those in there? Oh, I think that might be nice in the centre page. I might take the other one back out of the pocket. I don't know. I faff all day. You really don't want to watch a video of me deciding where to put things, because it's going to take 3 days. And I'm gonna. Oh, that's a different colour. Oh, a gold one. I think the gold one goes better. I'll put it there. 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 There we go. I'm going to put that one there. Then we've got birds on 2 pages. So that's basically today's video. I love that little ephemera pack. That saved me a bit of time in my journal, hasn't it? And whoever gets this, or whoever buys it, you'll get a bit of me and a bit of Tania. Lovely. Right, so that's it for today. It's Tuesday today, 27th of October. So tomorrow, Wednesday the 28th, I will be doing the draw for the journal I'm giving away to celebrate 250 subscribers. So anyone who's seen me here for the first time, you've got about 24 hours to bob over to that video. All you need to do is comment on it and tell me what you're going to use the journal for if you win it, and then you'll be entered. So that's it for today, girls. And any boys, sorry, been very sexist there. So thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.